Brushy Lagoon.
What a day. What a day.
What a great spot it was for us girls to take the quads down and test them out.
Yes. Lots of puddles.
Heaps of puddles. It helped that we had a fair bit of rain the day before. Scenery.
Spectacular.
Beautiful. Whether you have a quad bike, four-wheel drive or not, worth going for a drive and just checking it out. It is beautiful down there.
It is.
Wildlife.
Wildlife. We saw a porcupine.
What? Porcupines are not native to Australia. I think we call them echidnas.
But they got the spikes.
Yeah, so do echidnas.
Oh.
I can check it out for you.
Yeah, please.
Take a look at some footage from our adventures at Brushy Lagoon.
Quads are on, ready to go. We're going to head out to Brushy Lagoon and have some fun in the mud. Let you know how it goes.
We're here! 7 kilometres to go.
So where I come from, we're here usually means like you're at the place.
Yeah.
Not 7 kilometres ago.
Hey, that's why we're in front of the camera and not Sam.
That makes sense. Got it.
Jess, hi Sam.
Hey! It's begun! We've made it, we're here, the quads are safe and we're ready to go. Let's do this. I am so excited.
So even though none of us have taken ownership of any particular quad, we certainly all have our favourites. Mine is the Black Beauty. Look, I just said we haven't taken ownership, but I'm introducing it as mine. But I love the Black Beauty. Smaller offshoot tracks from the main track here at Brushy Lagoon, and they are worth exploring. We've just come up one, and how long? Good 10, 12 minutes in.
Probably.
It is amazing. It's like a secluded wilderness through here.
It's really nice.
So much fun. It's an adventure, but the scenery, it truly feels like we are a million miles away from anybody or anything. It is beautiful.
And tree ferns. We went through like an arbour.
Harbour.
Harbour?
Harbour.
We weren't even near the water.
We weren't near the ocean. Should we go back?
We'll go back.
Rewind.
Or like an arbour.
Arbor!
Of course. What's an arbour?
Oh, I don't know. Hang on.
A-R.
A shady garden alcove with the sides and roof formed by trees or climbing plants. We'll give it to her.
Of just tree ferns, and it was beautiful.
Really.
How are you going there, Jess? You getting it all set up for us?
It is amazing.
For all the people at home, this is our sexy camera lady. Work it. That's it, girl. You've got the moves. All right, show off. Now get on your quad.
The three girls have just rode past this puddle.
We took the easy route.
I like to think they rode past an opportunity. And it's all about opportunity. They rode past a challenge. So I did a little turnaround and said, guys, this bad boy is going to get through here. I feel positive.
So before we sent Sam through, we did check the depth of the water, and we knew that along the bank that it wasn't too deep.
Yeah, so Sam will be sticking to the bank as much as possible. In the middle of the puddle though, there is a deep trench, obviously from the four-wheel drives going through.
So we thought it through, and we attached some ropes before she went through, just in case she felt that she was slipping down into that rut.
Best to be prepared.
Oh yeah.
There's a bit of a lean starting to drag down into this section here. So having those ropes is going to give me a bit of peace that I'm not going to be going back that way. Well, that was some adventure footage. That was awesome. It got a little bit scary there because it looked like she was going to tip at the end. That was awesome. that was really cool. It got a little bit scary in the middle because she looked like she was going to go into the middle of the puddle, bog hole, that's what we've decided to call it. But once we got those ropes around, we knew she was fine. It was just that getting up. But when she got to the end here, it looked a little bit scary. It was awesome. That was good. My heart is going. That end bit coming out there was like, I thought it was going to go.
Got dry mouth?
Yeah, this is the water.
We did it!
Well, Sam did it.
Sam, that's
but
what
we were there.
That's
We
what
were
we
there.
meant. Sam, you did it. So that concludes our footage of our adventures at Brushy Lagoon.
We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up.
And if you did enjoy our video, please subscribe and ring the bell. I said it again.
Oh, it's click the bell.
Click the bell.
Click the bell.
It just
It's
makes
not hard.
sense. You don't click a bell, you ring a bell.
Well, you do, but in this
Anyway.
case, it's click.
Click the bell.